Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2017 Hyundai Accent with the 1.6 liter GDI engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is jack up our vehicle. Make sure you use a jack stand. I'm using this point as a lift point. Now we need to have our drain pan ready here. We are going to break loose and remove this 17 millimeter drain plug right here. Drain all your oil. You can let this go till it's absolutely done dripping, or just like this is fine. You don't need to get every drop of oil out. Tighten it down. You don't need to get it crazy tight. Just torque it down. Now we need to loosen and remove our oil filter here. Usually you can get these by hand, but if not, you can get a big set of channel locks on here and turn it off. These big channel locks can come in really handy in situations like this. I will have these channel locks as well as an oil filter and oil and other things you might need for this job, like a drain pan, linked down in the description below, where you can get them on Amazon. When you get your oil filter broke loose, it's going to start running oil down like this. Using gloves can be handy, or you can just wait for it to start dripping. There we go, got our old oil filter off. Got our new oil filter here. You can pre-fill this if you want to. I personally think that it's a great idea to pre-fill your oil filter when possible. You need to be using 5W20 motor oil here. So we're just going to pour some oil in here, start filling it up. Let it run over a little bit like that. Then take some of that oil and rub it on this ring right here. You need to moisten the O-ring here. This helps keep the O-ring from sticking the next time you change your oil. As it works into the filter, it'll drain down a little bit. Now we can reinstall our oil filter. You're going to spin it till it touches like that, and then you go about 3/4 of a turn past there. I usually just get it about as tight as I can by hand, and that's usually good. It will tighten up a little bit, so you don't have to crank it down. Now pull your drain pan out and take your jack stand out. Let your vehicle down so it's on a nice flat surface. Pop your hood. Now we are going to open the oil filling cap right here. As you can see, and as we already went over, this takes 5W20 motor oil here. So we are just going to turn that off like that. Now we are going to add roughly 4 quarts of oil. We can remove our filter here, replace our oil cap here. And we are going to go start our vehicle, run it for 30 seconds to a minute, shut it off and let it sit for a couple minutes, and then check our oil level. To check your oil level, pull your dipstick out, clean it off on a clean, dry rag, and reinsert the dipstick down the dipstick tube here. Pull it right back out. It'll be really hard to see on this stick with fresh oil, but we are right at the full line there. I don't know if you can see it or not. That is all there is to changing your own oil. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.